In today's session, you are going to learn about average fixed cost, average variable cost, and also average total cost. Okay, average fixed cost. This one we can able to derive from the total fixed cost. Okay, actually, how we are obtaining this one means when we are dividing the total fixed cost with the quantity, we will get the average fixed cost. Okay, already you know, actually whenever you want to get an average you need to divide the total with the quantity. Okay, then only we can able to get the average. Same alone here also, total fixed cost, it is divided by the quantity of the output, then we will get the average fixed cost. Here with the tabular column, you may know already I told, that means for example we had taken as 1,000 rupees only, isn't it? In the total fixed cost also, in the total variable cost, in everything we had taken that total fixed cost as 1,000. Okay, along with that alone we will move on this also. When the quantity, that means the production, it is only 0, then TFC is 1,000. Then AFC, what will be the AFC? What I said, TFC by Q, isn't it? What I said there, TFC by Q I said, isn't it? Then TFC by Q means what the answer will come there? 1,000 divided by 0, they themselves given. What the answer? 0 only will be the answer, because whenever we are dividing any number with 0, the answer will be 0. That only they given answer, we can't able to find that one, that only they given like that. Next, what they given there? 1,000 divided by 1, the answer will be 1,000. And next, 1,000 divided by 2, the answer will be 500. That means when we are giving the output, that the output it increases, the production of the output it increases, means then the average fixed cost is declines, because total fixed cost, it is the fixed one. There is no change in the total fixed cost. So what it will happen? Definitely average fixed cost, it declines only, we are showing like that. Okay, when the product, that means 1, then what is the thing there? That means the average fixed cost. What is the average fixed cost? 1,000 is the average fixed cost, isn't it? When the output is 1, the total fixed cost is 1,000. When the output, when it increases to 2, it is the, what it will be coming? 500. Actually they given here wrongly. Okay, 500, where it should come? With the 2 only it should come. 1,000. Okay, like that alone it should come. For 3 only, what is the answer? 333 for 3, and 250 for the 4, and for the 5, 200. For the 5 they are not given here, isn't it? Yes, that means the curve also it will come like this. That means it will be from the upward to downward, it will be slope alone. From the upward to downward it will be slope. That whenever we are giving the output, that the total fixed cost remains same. When we are giving the output more and more, then the average fixed cost, it will be declines. It won't touch the X and Y axis. Okay, average variable cost. When we are dividing the total variable cost with the quantity, that means with the quantity of the output, we can able to get the average variable cost. Here they themselves given here, isn't it? What they given here? TVC by Q given, isn't it? The formula is AVC is equal to TVC by Q. Their average fixed cost, in that one, average fixed cost, AFC equal to TFC by Q. We can able to keep this one in our mind very easily. When AFC comes, that means we should divide the quantity with the TFC alone. Okay, that means the total fixed cost, it is divided by quantity of the output. Same like that, when you are calculating the AVC, then we should divide the TVC by Q. Q means quantity of the output, how much product we are going to give. From that alone we are going to check here. Okay, here they given in this tabular column. From this tabular column you may know that, isn't it? The quantity is 0 means TVC also 0. Already I said there, because total variable cost, it won't be there anything. It will be remains 0 only. When the quantity of the output is 0, then it is also 0 alone. Then AVC also, what will be there? 0 by 0, only 0 only we will get answer. Okay, if the quantity of the output is 1 means the TVC is 200, like that alone we checked there, as isn't it? Actually I gave you in the total variable cost as a 20 40 20 60, like that I given in the example, but in your book they given like this. Okay, don't confuse this as both same alone. Okay, that means what I am saying here, the difference between the one unit to second unit, the difference it goes on decreasing, but at one stage after the equilibrium level when they touched, it goes on increasing, the difference between the before one and the next one product. Okay, it goes on increasing from that means from TVC, the how the TVC it will be differ, that only we already checked there. Here we will see about the average variable cost alone. Okay, from this graph what you can able to find here. Okay, what you are finding here, same alone, TVC it goes on decreasing up to one stage, but after that what it's happening there, after that it goes on increasing. You may check it in the tabular column itself. 200 divided by 1 equal to 200, isn't it? Next 300 divided by 2, 150, that means it decreased. 400 divided by 3, 133, again decreased. But when you are giving the 4 unit, the TVC is 600. That means 600 divided by 4 means what the answer you are getting? 150. That means increasing. The average variable cost is increasing. In this graph also we showed that one clearly. When the output is 1, the AVC, that means average fixed cost is 200. Okay, when the 2 unit, when you are giving the 2 unit, 150. When you are giving the 3 unit, 133, that means it decreased. Okay, next what it goes on there, when you are giving the 4 unit, it increasing. That means this AVC curve, how it's moving on there, first it declines, after that it increases in the shape. Okay, it increases towards to the upward, it increases towards to the upward. The AVC curve always in the U-shaped curve alone. Okay, AVC curve will be in the U-shaped curve alone. Okay, next we will move on to the average total cost. Average total cost means average cost alone, total cost. From the total cost we can able to derive the average total cost, otherwise the average cost, both same. Okay, then already I told you how to do this also. TC by Q, this one AC, we will denote this one as AC equal to TC by Q. If you know the TC, definitely we can able to find this one. Okay, how you will find the TC? Already what I said, TC equal to TFC plus TVC. This is the TC. Then you can find the AC also. AC equal to AFC plus AVC. Okay, like that also you may find that one. Otherwise you may find in this formula also. Okay, what they given we will check that. Okay, already we learned this tabular column up to TC alone you learned, isn't it? That means here the average total cost only we are going to find that. When you are knowing the total cost, from that itself we can able to find the average total cost. No need to move on this alone. To check alone they given like this. What the answer we are getting, whether it is true or not, only we are going to check this one. In some cases what they will do, they won't give the TFC and TVC. Okay, then they won't give the TVC, otherwise the TFC. Okay, that means only one thing only you may have there, and TC they may be given. In that also when you are subtracting you will get the another thing. Okay, that means if they given the TFC or TVC, you may find the average total cost. If they are not given the TFC or TVC also, they may be giving you the AFC and AVC. That means the average fixed cost and the average variable cost. From that also you can able to calculate the average total cost. Okay, this average total cost also, how it will be? It will be same like what the average variable cost we found. Okay, average variable cost also, the shape of that graph is how it was there only in the U shaped. Same like that only in the average total cost also, the graph it will be in the U shaped alone. This will be in the U shaped. Okay, why it is in the U shaped? When the average total cost at the starting, when you are adding 1 unit by 1 unit, then what it will be there, the average total cost it will decline. But after one stage where it will, what it will do there, it will move on to the upward. It will move on to the upward. That means it will increase. Average total cost it will goes on increase. Thank you, kids.